Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you what to do if your Bluetooth module is not connecting to any device in your POCO F8 Ultra. So actually what I do recommend doing at first is turning on your device. And now once it's unlocked, what I do recommend doing is to go to the settings, tap Bluetooth, and now as I can see I do have it turned off, so no wonder why I do have my Bluetooth not working. So if you have it turned off, turn it on, but if you had it turned on, just turn this option off and then turn this option back on. But remember, you had to have it turned on. Now if it's done, what I do recommend doing is to unpair and repair device in the Bluetooth settings. So here as you can see I don't have any device paired, so if you do have any device paired, tap this device, scroll all the way down, tap unpair, should be somewhere here, and then tap on your device in the available devices list once again. Just make the pairing process and do it. If it still doesn't work and you can't connect, what I do recommend doing is to restart your phone. Click power and volume up and scroll this blue circle to the reboot. Now your phone will be rebooted, and you can do the same with the Bluetooth device. This should help the Bluetooth module to fix both on the, for example, device and both on your phone. Of course, you have to remember that this may be just the issue of your device, for example, headphones, speaker, etc. So try just pairing with different device, and this should work. Apart from that, what I do recommend doing is going into the settings, tap about phone, and here if you do have any updates, just update your phone, because you may have some connectivity bugs to fix with the update. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.